Started with $1 and a dream.
Migo!
From riding Impala with them things to driving Ferraris with them wings, nigga.
Migo!
Young rich niggas, Migo, Meek Millie.
Migo!
Slide in the pussy like a surfboard. Killing these niggas, get a earth spawn. Fuck you niggas even selling work for. You next to town, put your chirp on. Be the main reason pussy niggas get murked for. Little nigga, who you work for? Cause I came for the bosses, I ain't for no losses. You playin' this dirt for. And I came from the first floor. Game making hole like a turf war. Been hit the run for my first tour. My level went out to the third floor. And I swerved on these hating niggas. MIA with some Haitian niggas. Bad bitches keep taking pictures. I pulled up in that race and nigga like, whoa.
Let me talk me, man. I bet you didn't know that my niggas make millions. But you know, it's sad to say some of my niggas convicted to prison. Sad to say, when you in the time, you don't wanna look down, you don't wanna look down. In the summer rain on the water, you don't know how I'm feeling right now. All of my life, I only want it now, but Franklin. Touchdown on the fork, nigga, make him tuck in his shell like he Franklin. You and my niggas is not the same. I jumped at that lamb like Bruce Wayne. The 10 piece of chicken is on the way. I told him Carlito the underlay. You see them new niggas in back of the club, just look at them plotting in conversation. I know they don't know. I sent the Migo to come back to the band for translation. Camera rolling, Quavo, Spike Lee. Hair run black, look like Will It Be. If you do the coke, you gon' buy some skis. If you wanna trap, you gon' buy some keys. I bet you didn't know that my niggas make millions. But you know, it's sad to say some of my niggas convicted to prison. Sad to say, when you in the time, you don't wanna look down, you don't wanna... Finessing the plug, I run with the second, I make a touchdown. Brand under money, Hall of Famer, finessing no Jim Brown. I know my mama, she proud of me. Young rich nigga, we the new trend now. Came a long way from kicking it dough. Now people, they pay me in pen. 50, 40, there you go. 30, down sideline. There you go. Turn down, go, go, go. Running with that set. Him and Smith. Deuce, deuce, pocket rocket. Him and Smith. I just touched down on a pussy nigga. I just touched down on a pussy nigga. Touchdown. Him and Smith. 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 Go. Him and Smith. I just touched down on a pussy nigga. Touchdown. I just touched down on a pussy nigga. Finessing the plug, I run with that second, I make a touchdown. Know the money, Hall of Famer, finessing no Jim Brown. I know my mama, she proud of me. Young rich nigga, we the new trend now. Came a long way from kicking it dough. Now people, they pay me in pen pals. No way. Want me to fuck with you cause I came up, nigga. My mama, she told me she love me. Go get money, nigga. I came a long way. Trapping the trenches to rocking the mic and I did it. We did it. My pockets on picket, I'm taking a pic. So flying from city to city. Gone, running with that set. Him and Smith. Deuce, deuce, pocket rocket. Him and Smith. I just touched down on a pussy nigga. I just touched down on a pussy nigga. Him and Smith. Him and Smith. Him and Smith. Him and Smith. Him and Smith.
Pace yourself, nigga. CCM. Yeah. Look flawless, I came from partners. Landrum